Hey guys, it's Darren here. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do today. It's pretty dark out. It's pretty late. I don't know if I wanted to do a car review on my Honda or anything like that. So I decided, since I got some new GoPro stuff right here, I think I was just gonna strap on the head cam and do a little POV of driving the Honda. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out because it's really dark. I thought I would at least try to get a video out. I know I haven't posted in a couple of days, but I just need to get a video out. So hopefully this turns out well. We'll see how it does. But all right, next time you see me, we'll be in the Honda. All right, guys, we're in the Honda. Hopefully the quality is not that bad because it does have the case on it. So that changes the volume, but let's go ahead and start her up. Gotta get seatbelt on, safety first. Turn on the headlights. That's not the headlights. Okay. Alright, so I think we're ready to go. So I'm not trying to push the car at all right now just because it's a little cold. But so far so good. She's still running pretty good. Okay, I know there's a tunnel up here, so we're gonna go under that. See if we can get some good quality sound. Hopefully there's no cops because this thing isn't registered, but don't tell anyone. Don't give me crap because it's a Honda. I know it's a Honda, but I absolutely love this car. It is absolutely a blast to drive. Absolutely. Hands down. Woo! This thing is amazing. Okay, so I don't know if that was caught on camera at all. Some guy I drove past and he was absolutely insanely pissed. I don't know if it got caught on camera, but it was really funny. Okay, so because the way this thing's set up, I hit the button to stop recording on top of my head. So yeah, that's why it stopped recording. But let's just continue this. Got some guy staring at me through a window because it's like, oh, what a sketchy Honda, bro.
sounds so gay, but that was so much fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh. VTEC. VTEC. Great. Great. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Make sure it's not a cop. Okay. Alright, let's do one last pull. Oh, red light is so sick. Oh my god. Oh, I cannot wait to get the headers on this thing. Oh my. Oh, that was so sick. I'm Honda fanboy. Oh my. That was just jizzerific. Jizzerific.
Okay, that was absolutely insane. I don't care what any of you Nazis say out there about Hondas. That EG hatch is, oh my gosh, that was absolutely fun. The VTEC in it is insane. Yes, it sounds like a ricer. That is going to change, obviously. I'm not going to have it like that all the time. But oh my god, that was so much fun. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you next video. Hey, hey, baby, hey, 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 baby, whoa, whoa, hey, hey, baby.